guys, thanks for joining me for another episode. In this episode, we're going to talk about how to properly seal a leaking seam. I get this question all the time. I'm going to quickly answer this professionally, how to seal that seam up. Pretty ironic, it's actually raining out here now, just drizzling. To make this clear, I was going to give you an exact demonstration on how to seal a seam, but there are many seams to seal. You got miters, you got end caps, you got gutters that are joined together at a seam, you have bay miters, strip miters, a bunch of different seams that could possibly leak on your gutter. It is super easy to seal a leaking seam if it's done correctly. So many jobs I've been to over the years, customers are just frustrated. They're like, oh, we want seamless gutters so they don't leak. Keep in mind, guys, even when you have seamless gutters, you're still going to have seams, okay? There's no such thing as a non-seamless gutter because you got end caps, you got miters and bay miters that are going to be on seamless gutters. But if you do have gutters that do have a bunch of seams in them, they're not seamless, so that just kind of doubles it. So yeah, definitely seamless gutters are recommended. All you're going to have to do, and keep this simple, guys, is if the seam has already been sealed and it's leaking, it's got a bunch of gunk on it, simply clear the seam off. Get everything off of it, all the glue, and just really clean that. Make sure it's 100% dry. Once it's dry, once it's clean, wipe it down with a rag, make sure all the dust and everything's off. And that's all you're going to need is a caulk gun, and you're going to need a GSL gutter sealer. I will leave the link below on the exact seal you're going to want to use. 9-4 aluminum. You can put a little water on your finger, whether you spit on it, but it sounds nasty. Rub this GSL gutter seal. It won't stick to your finger if you put a layer of water. That's a little pro trick, so you won't get none on there, but it'll kind of smooth it in, working into that groove. That's how to properly seal a seam. I think I said that right, but either way, if you have any questions on this, put a comment down there below. In the description, I'll leave a link to the exact sealer that you're going to want to use. So that's it, guys. If you like what you see, subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell notification, get notified every time that I post a video. Don't forget to like the video, guys. Thanks a lot. Take care, guys.